Now, researchers say a new vaccine is showing promise in the fight against HIV, and large-scale clinical trials are set to take place in South Africa late this year. Researchers in South Africa are expected to soon start conducting trials on a vaccine for HIV. This news comes after promising results were seen in a previous trial held in Thailand. Dr. Linda Gale-Becker is the Deputy Director of the Desmond Tutu HIV Center.
The first indication that this was at all possible was with the clinical trial that was conducted in Thailand. It was reported in 2009, and it showed the first reduction in HIV acquisition by an HIV vaccine. And so really that galvanized the world. And we have spent the last 5 or so years preparing to bring a very similar regimen to South Africa to see if we can not only, show the same results, but actually improve on those results. So the components have been modified so that they are relevant and compatible with the circulating virus that we find in Southern Africa.
The people who received the Thai vaccine during the trial had a 31% lower risk of becoming infected with HIV 3.5 years after vaccination compared to placebo recipients. Although not enough protection to warrant licensing, the results were widely held by some experts as a breakthrough in the long struggle to develop a vaccine against the rapidly mutating virus. The large-scale trial in South Africa, called HVTN 702, comprises 5,400 volunteers and is set to start in November. It will be conducted in various parts of South Africa to include a wider spectrum of the population.
We'll be able to tell the South African public by, it sounds like a long time, but this work, it needs to happen by 2022 is what we're looking at. We hope then to have a signature, if you like, of what tells us this vaccine is going to work very well.
Although this is not the first HIV vaccine trial to take place, the researchers believe the 31% success rate in the Thai trial is a good starting point from which to create a vaccine with better efficacy. More than 6 million South Africans are infected with the HIV virus. And that's our health report for today. To stay in touch with me, find me on Twitter @Lenore. Vincent, back to you.
Well, Lenore, thank you very much, and I'll be sure to watch Lenore Mudu's health reports every Tuesday and Thursday right here on Africa 54.